Hey guys, this is your host Iphoneuser, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable the autocorrect feature on your iPhone. Now what it feature does is basically if you have uh, any text message or something. For example, let me open the iMessage here, and if I want to send something, if I want to write something, it automatically corrects it. See, I didn't intend to write I just wanted to have a word ju, which is Jew. It automatically corrected it. So in order to turn off this feature, you have to go to settings and you have to search for keyboard. Now here you can see that I have already turned off auto correction, but it's still changing my words. So therefore I have to scroll down and I have to turn off this predictive text. When I turn off this predictive text, it will not change the word automatically. So as you can see, it's not changing it. Previously when I wrote ju, it used to change it to just, or any other word that you don't intend to write. It automatically corrects that thing, which is frustrating sometimes. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.